Aloha mai Kākou, o bijia kui kēia. Kēia la, mamake o iaʻu aku ia ʻōkou I ʻekolu mau kaʻi. A mamake no hoʻi au e hoʻolauna ia ʻōkou I ke ana lula o he, ka pepeke ʻaike he. Kaʻi are word modifiers and they go before a Hawaiian word. For example, the word for rainbow is ānuenue. Ānuenue. But there needs to be a modifier, a kaʻi, in front of it. And the rule for kaʻi that start with a ke, so that would be the kaʻi ke and the kaʻi ka, is that any word starting with the letters ke, e, a, or o will get the kaʻi ke, and everything else will get the kaʻi ka. But like any language, there are exceptions. For example, the word ala, ala, which means fragrance, or poʻo, poʻo, which means head. There are others as well that I cannot recall right now, but they would get the kaʻi ke. So ke ala o naona. Think of Hawaiian songs that you've heard. And poʻo for head would get the kaʻi ke as well. Ke poʻo. Mai ke poʻo a kahiʻu. In Hawaiian songs you will hear that. Mai ke poʻo a kahiʻu. From head to toe. There is also the plural kaʻi, which is na. Na. And these would go before words that would go with either ke or ka. So the rainbow ke ānuenue would become na ānuenue if it's rainbows. Yeah. Ke poʻo will then become na poʻo. Heads instead of head. There are other kaʻi, and I will introduce those other kaʻi as we progress through the series. Now I want to introduce you guys to the he sentence pattern. Pepeke ʻaike he. Really, all it is for now, before I teach you another use of he, is that this is how you say something is a something, or some things are something. So, for example, if you want to say this is a rock, you would start the sentence with he, and then rock is pohaku. So you would say he pohaku. The word for kēia, the word for this is kēia, and so you would say he pohaku kēia. This is a rock. In the Hawaiian language, for this particular sentence pattern, there is a sentence pattern he. Whenever you bring he to the front, you always bring the word attached to it to the front as well. If something is a dog, you will start off a dog is this. If something is a house is blank, right? So he hale kēia, this is a house. He puke kēia, this is a book. It is easy, and it is something you will hear a lot. So I hope that helped you, and this was a Nini lesson. Mahalo nui a oe no ka nana ana mai kēia polokalam a me kēia pukana no haʻi. A hui hou, aloha.